guys, so today we are in a subdivision with new construction. It is the lovely neighborhood in Silverstone. It's a Fischer Home-built neighborhood. These single-family homes have many plans to choose from, starting in the $300,000 range up to 400s plus. So let's take a look. Here's the entryway. We have gorgeous homes. Today we're going to be touring the model home right here. It is the Jensen. This offers a lovely open kitchen design, a formal living room, optional electric fireplace. This neighborhood is so cute, you guys. It has, again, which is popular with all new construction, we have underground electrical power, so you don't have the power lines up above. Most of the homes have 2-car garages, second floor laundry rooms, optional 5th bedroom with a loft. Lots of amenities depending on your price range and how much space you actually need. Ranches, 2 stories, 1 or 2-car garages, sidewalks on each side of the street. Here is a cul-de-sac. As you see, this neighborhood is absolutely darling. I love it. Anyways, let's go to the model and check it out. Again, the Fischer Home model. Let's go check it out. Here's where your 2-car garage is. It won't have windows, of course, it'll have a garage door. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so here is the entry room. This room is versatile, can be used for different things. Walk in, open floor plan. We have the first floor powder room. Wonderful. Your living room, great room. This one has a fireplace, opens up. The kitchen is an open floor plan. Of course, this is phasing out. If you're looking at new construction, there won't be outlets like this anymore. They're going to be on the top of the counter. We have extra bonus rooms here. This can be used for an office, kid playwear, living room, family room. Let's go upstairs. Okay, let's head upstairs. And most of the units are going to have carpet on the second floor. This is where your bedrooms are. The kids are going to be romping around, making lots of noise, so actually is a good thing. 1 bedroom. I love the little space here for a desk, extra storage if you needed it. How cute is this? Let's see what else we got. The second bedroom here. Down the hallway, we have a full bathroom, dual vanity. This one starts out, I believe, at $407, so beginning of $400,000. This one has some upgrades, 42-inch cabinets, granite counters, stuff like that. That will add a little extra amount to your purchase price. We have a second living room up here. Family room, sorry. Great for kids. So we have 2 bedrooms, laundry room, master suite, walk-in closet. Again, this is Fischer Homes. If you want to talk to me about new construction and why it might be a good idea to use a realtor, we can actually sometimes get, incentives brought to our attention before they actually share it with the public. So this would be the master bedroom, a soaker tub, a shower, and then your separate toilet. So if you like that kind of shared space where you still have privacy, this is the one for you. So again, the family room. This is the beginning of the subdivision. Just to give you an outside view real quick. Fences are allowed. Okay, let's see what else we have downstairs. Again, this unit is 2,700 square feet. It is a 2-story. It could be a 4 to 6 bedroom. You could actually split this space up and add a couple more bedrooms. It can come in 2.5 to 3.5 baths, depending on the floor plan you choose. Let's go.